Hey there, future cyber warriors! Welcome back to the channel. I'm the Cyber Guardian, and today we are diving into something super exciting, a roadmap for starting your cybersecurity career from scratch. Now, I've been in the trenches of cybersecurity for over 10 years, and trust me, I've seen it all. So if I had to restart my career today, here's how I'd do it. So grab your snacks, sit back, and let's get this cyber party started. First things first, education. No, you don't necessarily need a degree, but it helps. Think about starting with foundational courses in IT. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, or even YouTube have fantastic resources. Look for courses that cover networking basics, operating systems, and security principles. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, consider getting a degree in computer science or information technology. It opens doors. But remember, hands-on skills are what employers really want. Next up, certifications. These are your golden tickets into the cybersecurity world. Start with CompTIA Security Plus. It's like the entry-level badge of honor. Then, as you get comfy, aim for more specialized certs, like Certified Ethical Hacker or Certified Information Systems Security Professional down the road. These certifications prove you know your stuff, and trust me, employers love them. Now let's talk about getting your hands dirty. You need practical experience. Set up a home lab, grab an old laptop, install some virtual machines, and start playing around with different operating systems. Try things like penetration testing, network monitoring, or even building a simple firewall. There are tons of free tools out there, like Wireshark or Metasploit, that you can use to sharpen your skills. Next, don't go it alone. Join the cybersecurity community. Follow experts on Twitter, join Reddit communities, and participate in forums like Stack Overflow or Cybersec. You'll learn a ton just by lurking, and who knows, you might make some connections that lead to job opportunities. And don't forget about local meetups or conferences. Networking is the key in this field. Okay, now it's time to get serious. Start applying for internships or entry-level positions. Look for roles like IT support, security analyst, or even help desk positions. These jobs might not scream cybersecurity, but they'll give you an invaluable experience and help you understand the tech environment. And remember, every little bit counts. Even if you're just monitoring logs or helping with user permissions, you're building your skills. Now let's talk about something a lot of people overlook: building your personal brand. In cybersecurity, your online presence matters. Start by creating a solid LinkedIn profile. Share your projects, certifications, and even write posts about industry trends. It shows recruiters and potential employers that you're serious about your career and staying up to date with the field. Consider starting a blog or a GitHub page to showcase your home lab projects or tools you've developed. It's a fantastic way to stand out in a competitive job market. Plus, it gives you a portfolio to show during interviews. Finally, never stop learning. Cybersecurity is always evolving, and staying current is crucial. Once you've got some experience, think about specializing. Whether it's in incident response, threat hunting, or compliance, find your niche and dive deep. And keep an eye on emerging technologies like AI, cloud security, and blockchain. It's where the future's headed. So there you have it, a roadmap to kickstart your cybersecurity career. Remember, it's a journey, so be patient and persistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll catch you on the next one.